them break
Na, fuck is this shit.
down because of their critics and bashers.
Tough. Fuck is this shit.
Except for this infamous interview. Esben and team were called gay.
Come on, man.
And accused of imitating K-pop.
I'm not bothered by the fact that you sound like a Korean.
Tatang
Sound Korean, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na ginaya talaga yung Korean eh. Kasi nagtatagalog nga sila eh. Man, yung sinasabi ko, hindi dahil katunog ng Four of Spades ang Beatles is ginaya na nila yun, man. Pareho lang naman yun ng estilo, man. What the
Robin
fuck?
rushed in to back them up. They were fine at first, smiling as they try to keep it together.
Nung questioning sa atin nung una natin, offensive.
Until in to back
Man,
them up.
kung ako yung in-interview niyan, man, kung ako in-interview yan, hindi ko na sasagutin yan. O, dead man na lang.
Fine at
Tsaka yung tono, alam mo yung tono,